Hello, my name is Diego Leguizamón, ID 3185972. I want to talk to you about organizational management and well-being logistic processes, planning and sourcing, the foundation of freshness, strategic coordination with reduction, balances, diet access. Purchase plans and coordination ways, quality and freshness. Logistics coordination ensures that nutrition foods and products arrive at the exact right moment. Purchase and sourcing plans are strictly established to prioritize quality by reducing operational waste. Meticulous planning directly guarantees that workers have reliable access to a balanced, fresh diet. Distribution and delivery speed as a nutritional shield. Optimize routes, punctual delivery, nutritional reservation. Efficient distribution utilizes optimized delivery routes to drastically reduce both transit costs and delivery times, ensuring products reach conclusion on exactly on schedule. Punctual delivery directly translates to human well-being. The speed of the optimized route ensures that food fully conserves its core nutritive properties before consumption. Origin and cold chain active barrier for health. Precise temperature control, proper storage, food safety. Proper storage maintain baseline food quality. An unbroken cold chain is the essential operational requirement for conserving specific perishables, dairy, meat, and vegetables. Correct storage management reliably avoids hard risks, guaranteeing comprehensive food safety within the work environment. Inventory control, digital continuity for physical health, digital tracking system, efficient management, supply continuity. Inventory control provides total visibility over the availability of nutrition products. Digital systems are applied to meticulously register every operational entry and access. This efficient digital management permanently avoids storages, ensuring unbroken, continuous supply of healthy foods for human consumption. Thank you.